Girl, was tired of hearing the same song. And girl, my life was starting to fade without you around. But then you came along bringing something new. Showed the kind of vibe that I never knew. I want you here by my side. Yeah. It took a little time, but the magic grew. I didn't see it then, now I see the truth. Girl, I realize, yeah, I think I'm falling. I think I'm falling into something special. Into something special, babe. I think I'm falling. Never saw it coming. Got just something special, girl. I think I'm falling in love. Yeah, I think I'm falling in love. Yeah.
Good morning! Ayan, late na naman tayo mag-walking. 9:12. Inumin ko lang yung aking beetroot. And today is market day. Magdadrive dun sila dyan. Makauna sila sa akin kasi ako mag-walking ako. Pinapasama ako ni Jan sa car. Kasi ako side naman ng 2K na walking ko dun. I-meet ko na lang siguro pag naabutan ko. I-meet ko sila doon. Kasi gusto bumili ni Jan ng banana bread. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close kasi na-lowbat na tayo. But yan, na-marinate ko yung chicken. Lahat kagigising lang ng mga bata. Mas nauna ako sa mga bata. Si Jan ang nauna nagising sa amin. Si Jan mga 8. Diba? 8 na nagising si Jan. Okay, ito pala yung ating walking outfit. Ito yung sa Tommy na bili. And yung aking leggings is from Target. So yan. Tapos ito kay Willow. Yung aking belt bag. Wala nakakalimutan yan. And water. Okay, let's go. Saan mo ba yung shades ko? Wala pa pala sa tubig. Iisipan ko kung sasama ako sa kanila sa car. Ako walking. Si Willow ata na una nandun kasi nga yung mga bata ngayon lang nagising. Ayan, nandun na dyan yung car. See you. See you, Zach. See you. Baba. Yeah. Mag-walking tayo. Sila mag-drive. Hopefully, maintay nila ako. Si Willow wala na. Umalis na. Nauna na sila sa market. Ayan, car natin. Tahimik, diba? Wala akong kasamang nag-walking ngayon. Hiningal ako. Hinaluan ko na ang takbo yung lakad natin para maabutan ko yung aking mag-ama. Malapit na tayo sa market. Kanina may dumaan na boat, malaking boat. Ginamit ko yung phone. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ulit. Kaso tahimik nga lang ngayon. Wala masyadong nag-walking. Usually maraming nag-walking. Ayun, meron doon nagbabike. Ayan, may nagbabike. Meron ba? Good morning! Sa mabait pa nila. Ilang good morning tayo dito everyday. Papunta rin sila sa market kasi may mga eco bags yung ano nila, yung kanilang bike. Nasa likod, ayan na si ate. Ayan. Punta rin sila ng market. Nandito yung museum ng Yamba. Ayan. Nandun. Pero hindi naman tayo pupunta doon. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kasi may map dyan. kung saan yung mga ano nila, tourist spot. Okay, malapit na tayo. Ito yung isang caravan park dito. Nung holiday, yung long weekend, ang dami rin ditong tao. Hindi nga lang tayo nakapag-vlog. Tapos ngayon, konti na lang din. Ayan. So, pag nakikita ko na to, ano, malapit na tayo sa market. Ano kaya ang bibili ni Jan doon at ng mga bata? 3 years ago, mayroong sausages na yung Hungarian. Pero nung Wednesday, nung pagpunta ko, wala yun. So, we'll see kung anong meron sila ngayon. Kasi paiba-iba raw, sabi ni Kuya nung tinanong ko siya. Okay, takbo na ulit ako. Papasok na tayo sa market. Hindi pa. Malapit na. Ayan na. Hanapin natin sila. Ayun. Nandun sila. What are you having? Huh? Oh, they have sausages? Kuya? They have sausages today?
And I've just got, I've already got
sila.
banana cake, chocolate cake.
Where is it? Let me see your sausages, yeah?
Huh? Good.
How about you, Max? Where's yours? Oh. Bless you, Sak. Did you have sausages already? How about you, Baba? No, I'm good, thank you. Got what? Spring rolls? Dito siya sa Thai.
Help yourself to whatever sauce you want. Yeah.
Is that bacon and egg?
Yeah. Enjoy that. All right. See you
Thank
later.
you.
Did you say they are making bacon hot?
They have a stone bread here, babe. Stone bread. Stone bread? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na German grilled sausage. Wala sila nung last Wednesday eh. Hello. Hello, how you doing? Good, thank you. Dito yung stone bread. Same lang din. Anong nadagdag lang ay yung... they don't have anymore. Hi, you're right. Sorry. Gusto ko yung banana. Gusto ako ng banana dito. Last time, ito yung kinuha ko. Yung niluto natin na banana fritters. This time ko ako ng green. At saka yung hubal ko sa Bicol. Ito. Yung mag-ama ko kumakain dun eh. Ayan yung atis ko. Ulit ako ng atis pero hindi ako kuha ng avocado dito. Kasi ang mahal ng avocado niya. Atis pwede pa. Ito. $5 daw to. Oh. $1 each. Ito. Para isang kainan isa. Ako ng bag. Ano yung kinukuha nila dun? Zach, where's my bag, Zach? The bag. Pinakuha ko kay Holly yung bag para makabili tayo ng atis tsaka banana. Thank you, Baba. So, you gonna come with Mama? We're gonna buy banana? Oh, you're buying beef jerky. Bili raw sila ng beef jerky. Yes. Don's jerky. You gonna get one yan? Favorite ni Kuya to.
I'll let you go.
Beef jerky.
Yeah, yeah. It's got a bit of spice, that one, not too hot. And then you've got the mild range here. Yeah.
Spice is that?
Yeah, no, fair enough.
Oh, it's good.
That's medium size there, ain't it? Yep, too easy, mate.
You don't want?
Spicy.
Yeah. Carry my... No, it's heavy, Baba. Mamaya ko na kunin yung banana pakatapos mag-walking. Zach! Sushi.
He said he doesn't want it because it's brown rice.
Ah, brown rice. Ah, healthy version. Dito namin binili yung scent doon sa caravan. Yung, nakita nyo na yun, yung nasa wood siya. Ayun. Meron sila ngayong cheese dito. Thank you. Thank you. Goat cheese. Dito na yung nabili kong atis. Ngayon naman bili tayo ng bananas.
Zoom calls. So there's people always Zoom calling it.
Yeah.
And it's, yeah. But what I can do also.
Because it's like heavy.
Because I think that's more than a kilo, Baba.
So, do you know all these ones?
12.
12. Yeah, we're gonna get that one. Look at the dog.
Yeah. Cash or card, that?
A card, please.
Yeah.
Did you say Nani?
Smile.
Thank you. Ayan yung mga nabili ko.
Why?
Good, it's too heavy.
You're not gonna grow.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm gonna get the plant.
I said get it when we go.
When?
To
Wala na ni... Wala, sana yung aking camera. O, sana yun. Ayun yung car namin. Punta na dun si Jan tsaka si Holly. Itanong ko lang yung... Nagtitinda dito ng... Hi. Good, thank you. Ng herbs. Kasi gusto kong bumili nung rosemary niya. Pero sabi ni Jan, bilhin ko raw pag pauwi na kami. Pag malapit na kami umalis. I will ask. Ayan, mayroon din sila dito. Mayroon din siya dito mga... Ay, avocado. Going back to the caravan? You're going to back to the caravan? Is Ben already left? Alright, see ya. Huh? What? What's he said? Nothing? Alright, see ya. Get tayo doon. Ayun. Doon lang ako tatawid. So, mayroong tinignan doon na rosemary. Gustong gusto ko siya kasi medyo ano siya, softer. Hindi siya tulad yung nakikita namin sa doon saan kinukuha ni Jan yung rosemary pa nag-aas ako. Yun, maganda siya kasi malambot yung mga tangkay niya. O, di ba? Paano na tong camera natin? Uy, ayan. Malambot siya. Pero maganda rin naman yung matigas. Pero yun kasi maganda siya sa kitchen. Ilagay lang siya doon sa my window side. Dito ulit ako sa favorite spot ko and naki-CR na tayo doon. Kunti lang yung tao. Meron naman siguro less than 10 today. And may nagsiswimming doon sa pool. May yung pool. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Ayan. Si Kuya din. Dito, nasan yung pool? Ayan, may nagsiswimming dyan. Okay. Ito na tayo sa sentro. Diyan si Kuya nagsiswimming. Nakit na tayo dito. Ang ganda ng sky, no? Blue blue. Ito talagang favorite spot ko dito eh. Sa aking paglalakad. Kaya naman yung... Ay, sarado. Ah, it's closed. It's closed?
It opens at 12.
Oh, 12. Oh. Kaya tapos ko lang i-FaceTime yung mag-aama ko kasi tinanong ko sila kung anong ginagawa nila. Si Kuya raw nag-fishing. Si Zach. Tsaka si Max nagro-ride ng scooter. Si Holly na dun sa daddy niya. Sabi ko kasi dito muna ako tatambay kay Wibilichuk kung saan kumain ni Holly. Kasi gusto ko talagang kumain ng sweet potato chips na may aioli. Ang sarap ng sweet potato chips nila. Tapos makakapal kasi siya and crispy. Akala ko nga una, hindi siya crispy. Kasi sabi ko, wedges siya. So, ginudge ko siya. Ngayon, binalikan ko. Kasi masarap siya. So, 12 daw magbubukas. 11:39 pa lang. So, mayroon din ditong mag-asawa. Naghihintay rin sila na magbukas yung yung shop. Yung restro. So, dito muna ako magtambay. Mag-scroll muna ako sa phone. Tayo yung unang nag-order. Ayan yung number natin, 1. My dog. Wedges.
Yeah, alright. So,
With aioli.
want me to go?
Kumagat na pala ako. Ang dami ng tao. Kainin ko muna to. Then, balik tayo sa walking. Kasalanan to ni Holly. Kung hindi kami dito kumain last time, hindi ako kakain dito. Ang sarap kasi. Kahit yung chicken schnitzel na, ang sarap din. Ba ang laki? Kahit malaki siya, super crispy.
I've pushed it really hard and it's still open. I thought, you know, probably
Sobrang init, ang sarap.
close the door and probably push it.
Hindi ko na naubos.
It's like,
Ayan, tapos na ako. Na-feel ko na yung alat
you take the job from one.
sa dila ko. Ba, yan yung tira natin. So, balik na ako sa walking. Na-feel ko yung alat. Naglalakad ako papunta sa Boys. Doon sa skate park. Malapit lang naman, 2 minutes walk. Kung saan tayo galing. Kung saan tayo kumain. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Si Kuya wala. Nagpi-fishing siguro si Kuya. Try an. Ayaw niya. Takot. Where's Kuya? Fishing? See you, Zach. Love you. Balik na sila. Ako mag-walking na. Pabalik na tayo sa caravan. And yung naririnig nyo, sila Kuya yan. Sila Kuya close. Yung gardener dito. Gardener dito. Sila yung nagkakat dyan. Dito naman sila. Nag-trim. Hello. Dito na tayo sa caravan park and tingnan nyo ang tahimik talaga, walang nagjo-jumping sa jumping. Baba! Hi! Where's Kuya Zach? Ah. Hi. Ah, hello. Did you say thank you?
Yeah. And if I'm still hungry, can I have some of the leftovers?
Yes, we got fried rice.
Uh-huh.
Ang tahimik. There's no one here.
Put it back.
Just you and Kuya Zach. Is Kuya Tia still fishing?
No, they're back. They're having lunch.
Oh, okay.
And Max.
Okay. Si Zach, ayan. Are you having fun, Zach? Ah.
I bet you this is right.
No one's here, Baba.
Huh?
I'm going back. I'm gonna have a rest.
Holly's got a gem.
Yeah, I know.
It's in my arm. So see my chair there? It's inside of there. Check.
Okay, later. Yung asawa ko, ayan. Di ba? Relaxed lang siya dyan. Ayan yung view natin. Ang ganda ng view namin. Everyday ganito. Where's Kuya?
Hey.
Eating?
Hey, bye.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ha? Oh, I want to. May binili naman tayo sa store. Ano lang naman, spices.
Huh?
I just bought some spices for my chicken for tomorrow. Where we going for dinner? Tavern.
So,
Is it good?
we've been there before.
3 years.
We went and had a look at the boat.
Yes. Punta pala. Ay, maganda dun. Yung pinunta namin na nasa ilog yung restaurant. Dun daw kayo kakain. Okay. Ay, patayin na natin yung ating walking. Ay, ilan ba tayo? 7.65. Ayan. After pala nilang mag-market, pumunta sila dun sa My Feb Living Kitchen. Come here. Nagpabili siya sa daddy niya. Crystal, what you gonna do with this?
One, it's the love one.
It's a love one.
It's a family one. When you hold it, it feels like you're close together when you're far away.
Family love daw ang meaning nun. Tapos bumili rin daw ng sabon si Jan, yung mabang. Yeah, dito yung mga bata. Swimming sila. Ay! Pasok din siya. Nagsunura na. Si Holly nag-change na agad. Is it cold?
Huh?
Oh, I can edit here. Just sit here.
Go, Holly. Go, Max.
Is Bilo gonna...
Dad, I just dumped
Si Kuya, yan yung kinuha niya. Let me see what you got, yeah. Yan yung lime and pepper jerky. Good? Favorite niya yan. Go, Baba!
Max, just stay
Sila lang
there.
like swimming. Come on. Where's she going?
I'll go now. Mommy, Mike.
No. Oh, did he?
Go. Where's Max?
No. He's in the car.
Oh, look at all the water going in there. Look.
Oh, he's getting jerky, I think. Good, Zach? Is it cold? Sana warm too. Why? Why? Oh. Ang lamig kasi ng tubig eh. Good, Baba?
Don't need dive.
Huh?
Go dive, Baba.
What's that? Is that a snake?
Come on.
Does that go in the water and get that stick? Try that. Try.
Oh,
You're gonna get wet.
It's alright.
No, just stop.
Holly, careful because there's people here.
There. It's not a stick there. Well, can't say that.
Oh, that was good.
Holly, you go to like that. You gotta go like that.
That was good,
You
Baba.
gotta go like straight there.
Lipat sila dun sa mas warmer ng konti.
Because it's freezing on your pool, in that pool, and your chest hurts when it's freezing. No, this one. So you don't have to go on the ground.
Where is Daddy here?
No, he's in that pool.
Ah, okay. Nauna na sila dito. Yung nasisak.
Okay.
Oh, wala rin. Sila lang din dito.
Is it cold? Cold?
Is it better?
No.
Gotta kick your legs and lift your chest up.
Look at Holly. She's better. She's better. Okay, 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3, go, Mama. Go. Nag-edit pala ako. And yung mga bata nakaligo na from swimming. And si Jan, tinatawag niya ako kasi meron siyang binili and pinadeliver niya dito sa Caravan Resort. Where is it? Gusto ko ipakita niya raw sa akin. Oh, nice! Huh? Yeah. Ayan. Binili niya kasi 'di ba? Kitang-kita yung ano yung
Just don't know how to get it off.
pag kinakabit namin yon, meron ditong parang bulb. What you call this hand? The one before?
Toe ball.
Yeah, tobo. So, meron dito. So, ngayon, we're just gonna remove this when we tow the caravan. Yeah. Tatanggalin lang natin yan pag hihilayin natin yung ating second home. But, yeah. Nice, han. Look nice. At least hindi nakita yun. Where's your baby girl?
Zach.
Zach, not too hard.
Little one.
Yeah, just little one. Okay, balik na ako dun sa aking work. Work na tayo. Nakapag-edit na ako and saving siya. Ano lang siya, maiksi lang siya, 15 minutes kaya natapos ko agad-agad. So, ito yung nabili natin kanina sa aking pag-walking. Ito lang yung ating danyos. Cajun na spices and Italian herbs. And
then Dad got from my fave home living.
Yes, that's right.
Dad got soap and it's Manuka honey.
Yeah, Manuka honey. Maraming
And
mababango
there was
doon.
like so much, but it was this one.
Etong napili niya. Sa daming mababango, etong nakuha niya.
Kuya
Manuka
Zach
honey.
doesn't like it.
Kuya Zach doesn't like it. Pero ito yung nabili natin na banana. Banana cake. Iba rin kasi yung banana bread. Banana cake with cream cheese frosting.
Made in
and
Australia.
chocolate cake. Si Jan ang bumili niyan. And ito yung nabili ko. Avocado. Matigas pa to. So, $1 lang yan. Dun sa kabila, $4. Yeah, that's cheap. Ayan, $1.
It's gonna be a bigger one next Wednesday, right?
Yeah, and this one, hindi pa siya ripe. Etong dalawa ripe na. So, pwede ko na siyang in 2 days, pwede hanggang 2 days or 3 days. Okay pa to.
Is that
Hinag na siya.
avocado?
Yes, and this one is Atis, custard apple. $1.
Yeah, on my Filipino book. Atis.
Atis, that's right.
I'll go grab it.
It's alright. Kasi nag-aano siya ng Filipino book, nagbabasa siya. Atis. So, this is the Atis. So, $1 lang to. So, this one cost $10. Diba? Ang mura-mura. And this one, $15. Dalawa na siya. So, this time, kinuha ko hindi yung parang pabulok na. So, ayan. Itong dalawang to, $15 to. Ang dami niya na, diba? So, yan yung ating napamili. Ayan na siya. Kinuha niya talaga. Kinuha niya talaga. Papakita niya yung Atis. Oh. Avocado.
Atis. What's that? Atis.
So, we'll see kung kailan ko ulit ito maluluto. Kasi, tonight, magdi-dinner tayo. Baka bukas. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, napakita mo na yan. Yung crystal niya.
And this was also from my home living. My fave home living. It's a crystal. This one's the love one. And then the other one was, I wanted to do this one, you know why? Because it says live with your family.
Live with your family.
And
okay.
then the purple one just glows in the dark.
Okay. So, meron pa ako dyan na
And these were $6.
$6. Okay, put this one there. Meron pa ako ditong Atis na kakainin ko. Yung $3 ata. Yung hinog na ba? Hinog na yun.
This is my favorite.
Eto, nandito siya sa post. Siguro ilagay ko yung dito. Isa na lang. So, eto yung dessert ko mamaya. So, tapos etong avocado, last Wednesday, matigas pa rin siya. So, hala, matagal pa to.
It's the box. And it's...
Ito mas mahal to. Tingnan nyo, halos pareho lang naman yung size, oh.
And
then yung kamote ko, nandito pa din. Bukas rin ko to.
Where's that from?
Can you please get me a bag? Not the black plastic bag? There. Or that brown one. Give me the brown one, the brown bag. Yeah. Ilagay ko dito yung ating mga mga pinamili. Balutin natin siya sa, mapapakinabangan ko yung yung paper. Para tumagan sila. Okay. Meron pa tayo dito. Ito lang naman nakamote ang babalutin ko.
Save my face.
Okay. That's the back?
Yeah. And then it's the inside.
Okay.
And guys, it says rose quartz.
Huh?
It says some stuff.
Rose quartz.
Is one of the most
what?
crazy.
I cannot read this, Baba. Of most treasured minerals and forms. Hindi ko siya maano na.
Yeah,
malabo na ang aking mata.
Rose
So, ilagay natin ito dito.
Is one of the most treasured minerals and forms hexagonal prism with pride.
So, next, hindi ako bibili ng avocado kasi meron pa tayo. Ito.
Mom, what's that word? That's so hard.
What? I don't know, Baba.
It starts with
Rhombohedral shapes.
Transparent to translucent in appearance. It also has a vitreous luster.
Hala.
It is the most well-known stone for her love and the limit crystal for the heart.
Okay.
Size and shape may vary.
Alright. Mama, may ano pala yung mga bata? Yung boys, meron silang foodie training with other kids. Right, Zach? With other kids? Footy training?
And
Yeah.
I train with the
Under
14 girls too.
Girls?
Too.
Ah, so mix.
They combine.
Okay. So, ito yung $3. Ah, $4 to guys. Oh, nakalagay dyan $4. So, yeah, aalis pala kami. Kasi may footy training sila ng 5 o'clock. And, babalik dito para maligo. Then, dinner tayo. Sa
But they come back
tavern.
here first.
Yeah.
To have a shower.
To have a shower. Okay, alis na tayo. Ito yung tinimpla ko to kagabi. Hindi ko naubos kasi patulog na ako nung tinimpla ko yun. Ayoko maging busog pag matulog. So, inumin ko na lang ngayon. Where's the boys? Who's in here?
No one, just me. Don't finish it. Then
Yeah.
you won't have a drink.
Huh?
Then you won't have a drink if you finish it.
I'm gonna finish it because I have to. Dala ko yung laptop kasi ina-upload ko yung vlog. Connection sa phone natin. Nasaan na sila?
Why is it wet?
Why it's wet?
Where's your jacket, baby?
Ah, yeah, bring. Nakalimutan ko yung aking bulbol na jacket.
Boy, mama doesn't like jacket.
Kasi malamig na. Ayan, 35 minutes left.
What? On what?
Oh, kasi maiksi lang siyang vlog. 15 minutes lang to eh. Kaya ang bilis ng ano.
There you go.
Okay, come on, let's go.
For you. What?
First time I'm waiting for you, babe. First time. Usually,
Second.
second time. Minsan kasi ako lagi
Dad,
hinihintay
we
nila.
were eating outside.
No.
Yum.
Huh?
Why? What?
We are.
We're
What?
training outside, aren't we?
Eating, he said.
Oh.
Eating.
Why not?
We're
So
having
cold.
dinner. Wow, boys! You're gonna train with other kids from New South Wales.
Zach's gonna go, yeah, I'm a state player.
Oh, Zachy boy.
No, it was just a joke. Did you really think I'd say that?
No, I know you're not gonna brag that about Zachy.
Yeah, but if you did, it might get you game. Oh, state player now, team up. Yeah, let me play.
Are you gonna play to yeah?
No.
If-
He's 15.
No, he's only 13. Kasi under 14.
13.
Kuya.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not even 14. This year, he's turning 14. My God.
Next year,
Magpo-
15.
Oh my God.
Next year, 16. Oh my God, driving.
Para tong ewan si Zach, yung ano niya, ang tono niya, inaano niya yung ako ba, Filipino accent. Tapos pero ina-exaggerate niya masyado. Alright, let's drive na lang muna, mamaya na lang guys.
Do you know, Dad, if you have smaller boots, you perform better.
Tingnan nyo, pag walang lens, ganyan ka-close,
Have smaller boots, mate. and it's got a
ganyan
big foot.
wide.
Dad, they don't play
Where we go?
half.
No,
half
actually.
training.
No entry what? But no entry and then you enter.
Yeah.
Yung dalawa nag-enter, no entry, enter sila. So kami yung nauna dito, wala pa yung mga bata na taga New South Wales or Yamba kids. Ayan si Zach, kikik na sila. Sabi ni Holly, you know what Holly said, huh? I wish they have netball training too. Ayun na, nag-start na yung training nila. Mix nga, boys and girls. Nandun na yung boys. Nakikitraining na sila. Nakabalik na kami dito sa caravan and sila yung ang cute nila mag-training kasi yung mga babae hindi nila tinatouch. Yung hindi nila matackle. And meron silang requirements na dito sa New South Wales kailangan, well, yung mga nakalaro nila sa ka-training nila ngayon, kailangan nila mag-wear daw ng mouth guard, right? Is it mouth guard? And then, na-shock yung isang coach na sa amin, sa South Australia, okay wala silang mouth guard. Dito raw hindi. So,
You got something in your head.
yung training okay. Okay. Now, how's the training, Zach? Alright? What do you think?
Bad.
Who's bad?
Them.
Grabe siya.
Who's better, you or them?
Sabi ng mga,
What do you think?
may dalawang coaches doon. Sabi niya, oh my God, your boys know how to play. Si Max, tapos yung tatlong boys, they know how to read the ball daw. Kasi yung mga kasama nila, yung ka-training nila, hindi naman sa, sabi ni Jan, paano bang Tagalog? Hindi sila tumitingin kung saan i-kick ang ball. Basta kick lang sila ng kick. Nandito yung magsasalo, i-kick doon, ganon. So, na-impress yung
I know,
yung...
right? They don't look, they just kick it.
Oh, hindi talaga. Tapos,
I can just understand
and then,
you.
then the trainer been yelling at them because they're not...
No, kick it, bro.
No, they're not listening. Hindi sila nakikinig. So, parang napapagod yung nila, yung trainer nila na they're not listening, no, Zach? Hindi. Tapos, pag nagsasalita yung trainer, yung mga bata, nag-uusap-usap din sila. Yung hindi talaga sila nakikinig. Kaya na-impress yung, yung trainer, dalawa yun trainers. Ay, tatlo. How many trainers?
I don't know.
How many coaches? Coaches.
I don't pay attention.
Oh, so you're not listening? No, how many adults that train?
What? 3?
Yeah, tatlo. So, tatlo doon ang nagtitraining as in, kailangan nilang sumigaw talaga kasi hindi sila nakikinig. Yung tatlo ganun lang, sila lang yung nakikinig doon. Kasi, yung mga ibang bata, may grupo-grupo sila na usap lang talaga si Jenny, nagaganon lang, hindi daw nakikinig. Kasi, salita yung coaches. Hindi sila nakikinig. Tapos yun nga, sinabihan sila Jan, tsaka si Willow nung tatlong coaches. Oh my God, they know how to play. Ganun siya. So, yan. Yun yung first day of training. Are you gonna train next Wednesday again? Magti-training ulit sila next Wednesday. They're hoping na makalaro sila dito. But, we'll see. Ang lamig na ito. Napaka-warm nito. As in, laking tulong to dito sa ngayon. Ang lamig ngayon, as in, parang ay sa labas. What are you doing? Watching my...
I'm gonna see when I run.
Clips? Oh.
They keep pushing me in the back.
I know. Tapos si Sak, ang tawag kay Sak, what they call Sak?
Little boy.
Little boy
Who
here.
said that?
The girls. Little boy here, little boy. When you were running to kick the ball, you didn't hear?
No, I didn't hear.
Yes, little boy. Tapos Willow said, oh, they're calling Sak little boy.
I didn't hear.
Si Kuya naliligo siya. Naligo na kasi ito eh. Nagugas lang siya ng ng mukha tsaka body. Okay? Good?
Look.
What?
You can tap her like 50 times.
What?
It was double touch.
Uh-huh.
And we tapped her on the back like 20 times. And that's not holding the ball. And then that's it. They probably called it because...
Ang bango ng kuya, nag-spray ng pabango. Bango ng kuya natin, babe.
They were saying...
Wait,
you know
Han!
what I smelled like at training?
Dito na tayo. Okay. Playground sila dito.
No, I'll go back. No,
Dito tayo guys sa, excuse me kuya, Yamba Shores Tavern. Ayan. Yeah, Tavern, Yamba Shores Tavern. Ha? Bahita? Yeah. Idinggi dito. Ayan yung view natin. Ayan, kumain tayong isang pitchel na lemonade. Wala pa yung couple na hinihintay namin. Sabi ko kay Jan, pwede bang mag-order muna siya ng garlic bread with burrata or mozzarella? They're here. Ayan na. Naglalakad na sila. So, ito yung ating... Ha? What? Fish?
Are you having
Yeah. Yeah. Mozzarella, garlic bread.
Max, do you want some of this?
Oh yeah.
His son does such a story, right?
Dalawang
We're talking about the fish and chips.
Oh, you're talking about father.
Dalawa yung in-order ni John kahit So naka-order na pala kami. Si Kuya Pasta. Ang tawag sa kanyang pasta is beef, chicken, pork shoulder, ragu. Excited akong itry ito. Rigatoni pasta and parmesan cheese yung sa kanya. Kay Holly, Penny Bolognese. Baba Penny Bolognese?
Yeah, well that was
Penny, yeah.
one out of the ordinary.
And si Zach, tsaka si Jan. Chicken schnitzel. Wala silang beef schnitzel dito. Laging chicken. And sa akin, alam nyo na, yung 300 grams na rib fillet with surf and turf. Ano siya? Creamy garlic prawns. Extra yung ano, yung surf and turf. Hindi siya kasama dun sa steak. Yeah, yun ang aming order. Ayan na yung pasta niya. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Pork shoulder.
Here. What? Okay. Thank you. Yan kay Kuya.
Back that forward, back and forward.
Sarap yung creamy garlic. Tapos na ako guys, ibigay ko na to kay Jan. Good yan? Binigyan ko rin si Kuya ng steak. Kasi si Jan busog na busog na. What do you want? Yung pasta niya, naubos niya yung pasta, ang daming meat. Wala ng pasta. Meat na lang. Oh, lumig. Hi, so. Dito na tayo ulit sa caravan. And inuwi ko yung tirang sauce ni Kuya kasi ang sarap ng sauce. Tapos meat, halos parang yung pork shoulder siya. Tapos yung kay saking schnitzel andito sa top. Kainin niya raw ito bukas. So yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Ang lamig dito.
Because I think I do want you next to me.